Well, here we are, our last stop for our road to ChannelCon. We're going to take a look at TEKsystems, have a great meetup plan. Let's go check it out.
We have a ton of federal work here in Albuquerque, whether it be for the Department of Energy or the Department of Defense. We also have a lot of Department of Homeland Security. So definitely a lot of that requires CompTIA certs that we come across just to stay federally compliant and things like that.
Right now I'm actually pursuing an A+ certification to receive admin rights for my squadron to be able to perform higher duties than what I'm performing now. Eventually I would like to get Net Plus and Sec Plus. I could definitely use this something outside of the military, so just to prepare myself for that.
When I moved to New Mexico is when I actually made the leap into IT as a career field. And I started out as a help desk tech. My A+ certification from CompTIA was actually instrumental in landing that job in the first place. From there I moved into system administration and network administration, and now I'm in cybersecurity.
So for someone new starting off in the field, one of the suggestions I would give is to get at least some basic certifications. A+, a Net Plus, Security Plus, just anything to get your foot in the door certification-wise.
I mean, if you're looking at two candidates with similar years of experience and someone has a certification, it's a stamp saying they know how to do the work and perform and do well for our customers and our clients as well.
All right, well that concludes our road to ChannelCon. It's been a really good time, but it's time to hit the old road. See you guys next time.